Series 2, Day 4, Small Wins Build. Big Confidence, the Daily Wins Journal. You know what is quietly exhausting? It's not the big failures. It's the little things you do every single day that no one sees. No one celebrates and no one counts. Like taking a deep breath instead of snapping, or getting out of bed when everything felt heavy, sending the email you've been avoiding, holding your tongue, holding your boundaries, holding it all together. You do so much and still feel like you're falling behind. And if you're anything like me, you've been told that confidence comes from big goals, bold moves, radical change. But I want to offer something softer today, something more honest. Confidence is built by tiny wins that you actually let yourself notice. We're not trying to reinvent you. We're just trying to help you see yourself again. Today, we're talking about something I call the Daily Wins Journal. And no, it's not another productivity hack. It's not about hustle or getting more done. It is about giving your nervous system and your heart proof that you are already showing up in meaningful ways. Let me walk you through it. The idea is simple. At the end of your day, or even in the quiet middle of it, pause and name 3 small wins. Not perfect moments, not impressive achievements, just real ones. Wins like, I didn't scroll first thing this morning. I answered the text I've been avoiding. I drank water before coffee. I didn't apologize for having a need. I rested, without earning it. These are the wins that don't show up on checklists, but they matter. They count, and they should be counted. Because here is what is happening underneath the surface. Every time you pause to name these small wins, you're teaching your brain and your body that you are someone who shows up. You are rewiring your inner narrative from I am behind to I am building. And that builds confidence that isn't performative. It's rooted. It's quiet. It's real. It belongs to you. You don't need a fancy journal to do this, truly. Any notebook, sticky note, or back of the envelope will do. But if you love structure or beauty or having a dedicated space, I've linked a few of my favorite gentle grounding journals in my Amazon storefront. I use them myself. But you can start with what you have. What matters is the practice, not the packaging. This isn't about tracking your worth. It's about remembering it. It's also worth saying, I started this practice not when I was thriving, but when I was unraveling. At that time, I couldn't even bring myself to plan the next week, let alone dream up a vision. But I could write down that I did the dishes. I could name that I spoke kindly to myself. I could hold on to the tiny wins like lifelines. And over time, they carried me somewhere steadier. And if you're new here or just joining this reset series, I want to say welcome. We're not fixing ourselves here. We're remembering who we were before burnout, before overfunctioning, before we thought rest had to be earned. This is Series 2, where we're slowly rebuilding trust in our own rhythm. But if you haven't watched Series 1 yet, that's where we laid the foundation. It's all on the playlist. And you can go back anytime, at your own pace. We don't rush here, and we also don't walk alone. If this reset helped, feel free to pass it along to someone else who is quietly carrying more than most people know. You don't have to explain it. Just send it with love. And if you want to keep walking this reset with me, gently, daily, you can subscribe or follow. But no pressure. Just stay as long as it helps. Come back when you need to. Also, I added the Daily Wins journals I've used and loved in my Amazon storefront. They're simple, calming, and might offer a small anchor if you want a tool to support this practice. But whether you write in a journal, on a napkin, or just in your heart, please don't skip this. You're doing more than you think, and it matters, and you deserve to see it. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're not lazy or lost. You're just burnt out, misled, and due for a reset, not a reinvention. And we reset here, together. See you tomorrow.